In just the last month, Minnesota federal courts have seen hundreds of civil suits filed on behalf of people picked up during Operation Metro Surge.
This evening, WCCO Investigates is taking a closer look at who is filing those cases and why. We're narrowing in on just one day, January 22nd, 2026. That day, attorneys filed 20 cases seeking a client's constitutional right to due process. Senior investigative reporter Jennifer Merrily digs into the details.
Filings following arrests during Operation Metro Surge include women and children detained at this Minneapolis home, and this 2-year-old named Chloe taken into custody with her dad.
This community is safer because we arrested 4,000 illegal aliens, and it's over 4,000 illegal aliens here. Many of them public safety threat, not all of them.
Well, the feds say the operation targeted public safety threats, or the worst of the worst. A WCCO investigation found people with no criminal history have also been picked up. We looked at 20 civil suits filed on January 22nd. The petitions for release give details about the person and where they were picked up by ICE. 6 were arrested in the community, doing things like picking up a prescription and getting groceries. 5 arrested at home, including a pregnant woman. 4 detained when they showed up to a planned immigration check-in.
But in my experience, they're arresting people who are applying for family visas, who have already applied for asylum, who are going to their check-ins and their court dates on time.
In one case, a pregnant mother from Ecuador was on her way to work when she was stopped. According to her petition, the agents went to her home and then took her husband and 2 boys into custody. Each have a pending asylum petition and no criminal history. We spoke with an immigration attorney not associated with these cases about what she's seeing.
People they're picking up are just families. Families who are in a process or families who are going to court.
And they don't have a criminal history.
And they don't have a criminal history.
In the filings, we found 3 people with more than a traffic violation, convictions for disorderly conduct, DWI, and criminal sexual conduct, all misdemeanors. From what we can see, most have a petition for asylum. A few are in removal proceedings but are appealing. They're originally from places like Kenya, Venezuela, El Salvador, Honduras, and Mexico. 4 cases were dismissed or moved to another jurisdiction. Of the 16 cases that moved forward in Minnesota, judges ordered the release of the person. All right, plainly stated, this data shows the majority of the people detained by ICE who filed civil suits on January 22nd have no criminal record. Where their cases go from here remains to be seen. We do know 2-year-old Chloe's dad has decided to voluntarily deport back to Ecuador. And we spoke with an expert over at the U today who says this day gives a snapshot of what's been happening in our community, what people have been reporting on the street, what observers have been saying, that many people, community members, longtime community members, many seeking safety, have been swept up in this operation.
I'm sure we'll find out more in future, right?
Yeah, and
slowly getting at this.
I was going to say there's so many more. I mean, there's hundreds more cases to follow, too,
Yeah,
right?
this is just one day that we selected at random to take a look at, and we looked at all the cases from that day, and this is what we discovered.
Interesting.
Well, thank you.
Thanks, Jen.